This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials so you can act quickly. First, make sure mobile data is turned on and airplane mode is off. This forces the radio to reconnect. Next, glance at signal bars and, if possible, test another handset on the same carrier to rule out outages. Once done, restart your phone and immediately toggle mobile data off and on again to prompt a new network registration, which often clears temporary connection faults. Now dig into deeper configuration that commonly blocks internet access. Open mobile network settings and confirm the APN fields exactly match your carrier's values. If uncertain, reset to default or enter the values manually because a single character error prevents data. Also disable VPNs, proxies, or restrictive battery managers that can block traffic. Finally, make sure data limits or roaming rules aren't active. Finish with hardware and account-level checks to resolve stubborn cases. Power down, remove the SIM, clean the contacts, reseat it, and test the SIM in another phone to see whether the issue follows the SIM or the handset. If the problem remains, perform a network settings reset and install any carrier or OS updates to refresh provisioning. If none of this works, contact your carrier with your IMEI and SIM number to confirm provisioning. If they can't help, ask for a ticket escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.